In this video, I'll show you how to invest in stocks and crypto within Revolut. If you've not yet traded or invested to crypto or stocks on Revolut, in this video, let me show you the process. This is going to be a short and easy tutorial, so let's get straight into it. Now, once you open up your Revolut app, in order to start investing, you'll need to head over to the Invest tab, which is the second tab after the Home tab on the bottom. So just tap on the Invest tab. Once you tap on it, you're going to see the screen which says Start Trading. If this is your first time heading over to the Invest tab, just tap on the Get Started button. Now, once you do that, the next thing you'll need to do is add some money in order to start investing. So just tap on the Add Money button that you see and then add in the desired amount that you like to invest. Once that step is now completed and you've now added in some balance, in order to pick stocks or crypto, just tap on the Trade button or the Trade icon right here. Once you tap on Trade, you'll be able to pick from various asset classes such as stocks, cryptos, and commodities. So here, scroll through the list and just pick the stock, crypto, or commodity that you're trying to invest into. After you pick a particular asset, in order to purchase shares, just tap on the Buy button. Once you tap on Buy, you can add in the desired amount that you're trying to invest in this particular stock or asset. That way, it's going to show you the number of shares that you're going to get through that amount, and you can just tap on Review and then add in your order. So the process is going to be the exact same for stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. So that's the process that you need to follow in order to invest in stocks and crypto in Revolut. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up.